Review how to get sound effects out of MetaDigger and into your sessions. So whatever my session folder that I'm working in, I'm going to go ahead and make a new folder. I'm going to name it SFX for sound effects. Works for me. I'm going to open up MetaDigger. I am going to establish my work folder, which is the folder that I just created. So careful, this may come up saying SFX because that was the last place that you saved your work to before. So I'm going into Songwriting 101, I'm going into Sound Effects, and hitting Open. I've now created that pipeline. I'm going to find a short. That sounds good enough to me. I'm going to copy this sound effect to my work folder. It is now there. So when I go back into my session, go File, Import Audio, I want to find on my desktop the session in which I am working, the folder where I have my sound effect. I'm going to copy it, hit open again, have it go to a new track, and there is my sound effect. I can mute it because, at least on the final, it is not required to use it. Just get it in. There you go.